Jai Gurudev students. Students, today in the business studies class, you are studying the chapter business services. Business services, I have started earlier classes also, that in business services, these are the different types of services like business services, personal services, or the social services. So I am going to tell you about the business services. Business services, these are the services which are helpful for the business enterprise for working, for doing their work successfully and without any obstacle. Means it helps in successful and the smooth handling of the business activities. There are different business services, that is banking, insurance, transportation, and communication, etc. In the previous class I have told you about the banking services. Banking may I have told you that there are different types of banks and these banks are performing the different types of functions. Now our next topic is e-banking. E-banking, that is electronic banking. Electronic bank. What is e-banking? E-banking is that it is the banking facilities you have undertaken with the help of internet. That is electronic media is there, and there is no need of going frequently from the branches of the banks for and standing in the long queues, and you have to wait for your transaction. Now with the help of e-banking, everything will be the banking services are running smoothly. That is, now in the global world, in the competitive world, this e-banking services is helping very much for doing the different business services. Now what is e-banking? E-banking, students, that e-banking is a service provided by many banks in which a customer is allowed to conduct banking transaction over the internet using a personal computer, mobile phone, etc. That means e-banking क्या है? E-banking is a service provided by many banks. E-banking जो है, it is known as electronic banking also, that different banks are there in our country and these banks are providing their services through internet, in which a customer is allowed to conduct banking transaction over the internet. There is no need of customers frequently to visit the banks for their daily transactions. Now with the help of internet, that is in their mobile phone or in the personal computer, he can make these transactions. That is, he can conduct the internet banking transaction or electronic banking transaction with the help of internet. Now how he can perform, how he can work with the internet banking, or what are the services coming in the internet banking? Internet banking, that it is electronic fund transfer. One of the services of internet banking is that electronic fund transfer. That is, you can transfer your funds from one place to another, from one department to another, or one organization to another. Like NEFT is there, and RTGS facility is there. You can do this with the help of internet banking. Now ATM. Everybody is now familiar with the word ATM. That is automated teller machine. That is, this machine, with the help of this machine, we can make deposits also. Even we can withdraw our account money frequently or number of times. That is, with the help of ATM, there is a handling of big cash. This problem will be solved. Now whenever we need the money, we can go to the ATM, and credit cards are there, debit cards are there. With the help of these debit or credit cards, we can withdraw our money with the help of ATM. ATM, is providing the 24-hour services. That is 365 days ATM is working, and 24 hours means whether it is day or night, this ATM is working continuously. POS means point of sale machine, EDI and credit cards are there. These are with the help of these services we are doing the internet banking. So internet banking क्या है student? Internet banking means इसमें जो customer है, that there is no need of customer to visit banks, and he can have stand in a long queue, and he can have the transactions with the banking clerk. Now this will be removed with the help of internet banking. Now in internet banking, you can you can do the transaction in your personal computer or in your mobile phone. That is, when you are having an account with the bank, and this bank account will be having login with your password or with your Aadhaar card and email ID, and it is connected with your mobile or your personal computers, and every details you will get with the help of this internet banking. इंटरनेट बैंकिंग के थ्रू आप अपने घर बैठे अपनी बैंकिंग ट्रांजेक्शन्स को, अपने अकाउंट्स की अपडेट्स जान सकते हैं, आपके अकाउंट में कितना पैसा है, कितना विड्रॉ किया है, एवरीथिंग, एवरी डिटेल्स, ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल यू विल गेट with the help of internet banking. So internet banking, students, that is very beneficial nowadays in a competitive world. Everything will be doing very smoothly, and this is not a complicated process. That is, each and every person can work with this e-banking, or the e-commerce is there, and there are various advantages also there of the e-banking. That is, internet banking service is available 24 hours and 365 days. Nowadays, no need of going to the bank. That means whenever you are in a traveling, or you are in your four wheeler, or whenever you can have this internet banking transaction. And ATMs also are very much helpful to providing for means solving their financial problem. And also, you can update your accounts anytime. There is a transparency will be there, and there is a less chances of fraud will be there, no chances, no risk of handling big cash. This will be solved by the internet banking. Even this internet banking is useful for the banks also. Now banks are doing their work competitively with other banks or other countries also. And even previously, the banks are not having any contract with other banks or rest of the world also. Now with the help of internet banking, they are having the transaction with far of the places also. Now they are with the global world, and with the internet banking, they can the banking facilities are also being global. And also, the load of the banks are also very less. Now no need of that separate clerks, or the accountant is there for handling the cash or making the transaction, and you are having a big register, their registers for debit or credit entries. Now everything will be handled with the help of computer, or with the help of internet banking, or electronically. Banking facilities can be there, so everything will be computerized. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई थिंक यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द इंटरनेट बैंकिंग, कि आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा कि इंटरनेट बैंकिंग क्या है. इंटरनेट बैंकिंग मीन्स you are handling your bank account, or you are handling your banking transaction with the help of your mobiles, with the help of your in personal computers. Now there is no need of going to the banks frequently for each and every transaction. आप अपने घर बैठे कहीं पर भी, ट्रेवलिंग के टाइम पे, कहीं पर भी 24 आवर्स में, किसी भी टाइम पर, जब भी आपको पैसे की ज़रूरत हो, पैसे जमा करने हो, पैसे विड्रॉ करने हो, कहीं ट्रांसफ़र करने हो, आप इंटरनेट बैंकिंग के थ्रू ये सारे काम ईजिली कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इंटरनेट बैंकिंग इज़ कमिंग अंडर द बैंकिंग सर्विसेज. सो आई थिंक स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों को ई बैंकिंग के बारे में बहुत अच्छे से अभी क्लियर हो गया होगा कि दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बैंकिंग सर्विस. दैट इज बिजनेस सर्विसेज में फर्स्ट हमने जो पढ़ा था बैंकिंग, दिस ई बैंकिंग इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ बैंकिंग.